What's up guys, Saf here on SuperSaf TV, and this is the OnePlus 6T McLaren edition. Seems to be a bit of a trend these days, smartphone manufacturers partnering with car brands to bring limited edition devices. We've had Oppo partner with Lamborghini, Huawei partner with Porsche, and now OnePlus has teamed up with McLaren. So taking a look at the box initially, it is in this bright orange color with the text "Salute to Speed." Speed, of course, being the theme of this device and partnership. Once we remove the outer sleeve, there is a slick looking black box which has a carbon fiber print, and inside this we are initially presented with the text "Fast and Smooth," and there is a booklet with the same "Salute to Speed" text we had on the outer box. Now this booklet has some info and some hidden AR triggers which we'll take a look at in a short while. Then we have some info around the McLaren MCL33, which the design of this special edition 6T is based on, and also the info and specs of this device. Now a couple of the key things to note here is that you've got a whopping 10GB of RAM and Warp Charge 30, giving you 30 watts charging to top up 50% of the device in just 20 minutes. Finally, we have the 6T McLaren edition inside this booklet box, and we'll have a closer look at this after we've seen what else is inside the box. So initially there is a carbon fiber design case with the OnePlus and McLaren logos on the back. From what I can see, this is very similar to the already available carbon fiber style case that you can pick up from the OnePlus website. We then have a glass plaque to show that this is a limited edition device, a braided orange and black USB-A to USB Type-C cable, which I do think looks really nice. Even the inside of the connectors have orange accents, and then there's the Warp Charge 30 power brick, which once again follows the black and orange theme, as does the USB Type-C to 3.5mm dongle, because this 6T, like other editions, does not have a 3.5mm jack. Finally, there is some paperwork and a SIM card ejector tool. The main leaflet has a quote as well as a blueprint of the 6T with quick start details, and there's also a note from Pete, the CEO of OnePlus. Right, now let's take a closer look at the device. Removing the sticker at the back reveals the design, and from a distance it may look like a variant of the mirror black 6T which already exists, but if you look closer you'll notice the McLaren logo towards the bottom and this papaya orange border gradient. It's an interesting look and reflects quite nicely depending on the angle the light hits it, and there is a subtle carbon fiber design behind the back glass. Here is a side-by-side with the midnight black 6T, and you'll see that the layout of everything is the same. Up front, the 6T McLaren edition looks pretty much the same as any other 6T, with a 6.41-inch optic AMOLED display in the water drop notch, but we do have a McLaren theme which gives you the black and orange colors throughout the UI. Now remember the booklet earlier? Well, if you start the device you get a salute to speed screen that you can use to point your camera at parts of the booklet, and you'll get some videos playing in the placeholders of the booklet. Apart from that, the device is pretty much the same as a regular OnePlus 6T, the same dual cameras at the back, the same alert slider, the same single bottom speaker, the same in-display fingerprint scanner, along with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, but with 10GB of RAM this time as mentioned earlier. Not sure how much of an actual effect that will have on speed, as the regular 6T is already one of the fastest Android devices out there. I haven't been given any pricing info as yet. We'll be sure to drop that in the description as soon as I have it, but this will of course be more expensive compared to the regular 6T, and for that you're getting the limited edition McLaren inspired design and included accessories, Warp Charge 30, and of course the 10GB of RAM. In my opinion, it's a good looking device, especially if you're a McLaren fan, but I do think it looks too much like the mirror black 6T. Personally, I'd like to have seen something more striking, maybe an orange carbon fiber look or something like that, but that's just me. What do you guys think of the McLaren edition OnePlus 6T? Definitely drop me a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then do hit that thumbs up button for me. And if you want to see more videos like this, then be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time.